Welcome, beautiful one. There are no accidents in this universe. Every major event in your life has happened for a reason, all to bring you to this moment, right now. The fact that you are here today is a proof that a powerful transformation has already awakened deep within you, and now you, amazing one, are finally ready. I will cover 10 steps on how I made my keto diet, and you'll see, it's easy and really works. 1. Know what foods you'll eat and avoid on the ketogenic diet. In following a keto meal plan, you'll be severely limiting carbs. Start off with between 20 and 30 grams of carbohydrates per day, says the New York City-based dietitian, Kristen Mancinelli, Road. 2. Examine your relationship with fat. Keto involves lots of it. To prepare for a high-fat diet, which can be uncomfortable at first, start making small adjustments to what you eat every day, like ordering a burger on lettuce leaves and subbing green veggies for fries. Instead of potatoes or rice with your meal, opt for a non-starchy veggie. Start cooking with more oil, such as olive or avocado oil. Realize that old dieting habits, like making a plain skinless grilled chicken breast, just don't make sense on a keto diet because you won't get enough fat. 3. Switch up your view of protein. This is a moderate protein diet. One of the most common misconceptions about the keto diet is that you can eat as much protein as you'd like. But this is not a diet where you watch carbs only, you also have to keep your protein intake moderate. 4. Hone your cooking skills to make fresh fare, as high-carb processed foods aren't okay on keto. Look at a variety of keto websites and cookbooks for keto-approved recipes you'll love. 5. Try bulletproof coffee. It's one of the best keto-friendly drinks. Made by mixing coconut oil and butter into your coffee, this drink will help keep your hunger at bay, giving you time to plan your next meal. 6. Talk to your family about your weight loss goals on the diet. Tell them your plan. You may not be able to eat what they're eating during family mealtimes, so you'll want to prepare them and yourself for what your new habits will look like. Before going to secret number 7, can we ask you to please subscribe to support this channel? It will cost you nothing and will mean a lot for us for the hard work we put on each video. Thanks so much. You are truly awesome. Your mom should be really proud of you. Now let _ continue. 7. Know what side effects to expect, for example, the keto flu. The keto flu is a term that refers to the period after you start the diet when your body is adjusting to burning fat for energy. Some people have no problem with it and others are miserable. 8. Up your electrolytes to prevent or mitigate unpleasant keto side effects. Make sure you're getting the sodium and potassium your body needs to function well. 9. Acknowledge when keto might not be right for you. If existing personal dietary restrictions require you to avoid foods like soy, eggs, nuts, dairy, or seafood, a ketogenic diet may be too limiting for you. Coming from a place of elimination in an already restrictive diet can make it incredibly tough to follow. 10. Have an after plan, because keto isn't meant to be a long-term weight loss solution. A keto diet is not a forever diet. It's designed to be short-term. Your ultimate goal should be to shift your diet to a healthier pattern that involves eating less bread, less pasta, less flour, and less sugar. Now comes the secret surprise that I promised. I hear you say, but I cannot wait. I need the keto diet right now. How about cook the best delicious keto recipes in the next 24 hours? Let me give you a resource. The link to it is in the description, is the first link you will find. You are an amazing person. Wow. You came to the very end of this video. Can you do us a favor and subscribe and activate the bell at the very least? It would be very appreciated from the bottom of our hearts. Also, if it's possible, like, share and comment. You are best, you deserve a rich life. God bless you forever.